Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sugars of Crypto. In this video, we're going over this article by Cointelegraph.com, and it talks about Cardano to open up Ethereum Solidity DEVS with new initiative. But before I begin, I wish you guys Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had a wonderful time with families and friends and opening presents and all that stuff. And I hope you guys got a good present, by the way. I got all right present, So in this video, we're gonna go over this article because I want you guys to understand that I'm an investor in Cardano and I get passive income every 5 days, delegating my ADA to stake pool operators, and there's thousands of them all over the globe, and it's so decentralized. And yesterday I made a video about XRP, how centralized it is, and how they're facing this sued $1.3 billion fine, and it's incredible how centralized govern cryptocurrencies could be in such a jeopardy, especially SRP that's been out for a while. And I know there's a lot of people that they're very optimistic that the percentage of the token has risen 32%, 22%. But to be honest to you guys, I read a book about the intelligent investor Warren Buffett, and never invest something that you don't believe in, something that you don't understand, something that to me, I understand it, but I don't invest in it just because. That's why I don't invest, because our US dollar is centralized, and these XRP or Ripple founders, they have billions of XRP in their custody, and they could launch those old coins, and they could just plummet the price if they wanted to, and that's why they're in trouble. And then it's a security. It's classified as by the Security Exchange Commission as a token that is it's a security. So it's it could be backed by the Ripple company. It could be supported by a US dollar or fiat currency, and to me that's a risky investment. If I wanted to it's like investing in the dollar. I'm really not interested. I'd rather hold dollars than holding XRP. Cardano is something that I invest in because it's something that I am sure is gonna be a futuristic utility that's going to be used by developing countries such as Africa and many other, India and Mongolia, and many places that needs this infrastructure that we in the United States have. But this Cardano blockchain, there's going to be dApps built upon it, which is going to be the topic we're going to talk about. And it's going to have all these functionalities where XRP is only going to be something that's going to help transact the XRP token from one country to the other, because all the countries got different fiat currencies, and XRP will enable them to transact without having to convert their fiat currencies. But I'm not interested because it's centralized, and like I said, Cardano and blockchain is made with the foundation of Satoshi of being decentralized, because this governance systems of the US dollar impovers the people while they're printing money, and you don't want to be holding dollars because they keep printing and printing, and really that's not something I'm looking forward to invest in, because it devalues over time. That's why I invest in gold and and cryptocurrencies. I own Apple shares in Tesla because I believe in those companies, because they're providing energy efficient for future, and Apple's creating that Apple Watch that's going to evolve to some medical health, solving solution, for because they be able to read your cardio, your oxygen in your blood, and so on and so forth, and they might be able to enable more features that's going to provide doctors with more data when it comes to your health or even yourself. And that's why I invest in Cardano, because Cardano is something like this. It's something that's going to provide a lot of help. I mean, on Ethereum, I had made a video a couple weeks ago that talks about Ethereum, how the many developers are, releasing Ethereum smart contracts, by the thousands and on a monthly basis, because there's this developing developers out there that they're hungry to make a stage to become popular, launching dApps that could become adopted by many people around the world, and they they could make not only money, but they get to recognize that they build good quality apps and dApps or whatnot, and Cardano would bring a solution to them. Will bring a solution to them because on Ethereum you have a network that's very slow, and just as the token of Ether has to transact smart contracts have to transact through the blockchain also and be recorded on the blockchain, and those things require scalability for worldwide scale usage, and Cardano is going to provide that platform. Let's get into the topic. I went into a big tangent there, guys, but that's okay because it's Christmas and I'm actually have the time to do so. All right, Cardano to open up to Ethereum Solidity devs with the new initiative. KEVM will deploy Solidity smart contract to Cardano. Solidity, a major program language for writing smart contract, will soon become compatible with the Cardano's blockchain. According to Thursday announcement on Cardano's developers website, Cardano's devs are now opening up Cardano to the Solidity and Ethereum community through an interoperable platform that uses native Ethereum code. As a part of the effort, Cardano developers are planning to restart and accelerate their K Ethereum Virtual Machine or KEVM developer network program. The DevNet envisions an EVM running within so-called K framework, a system specifying and creating languages and virtual machines. K intends to enable developers to define or implement formal semantics of a programming language in an intuitive, modular manner. K also generates an executable correct by construction VM for its formal specifications, which is fast and powerful enough to run real programs and smart contracts. The announcement notes the system is designed to create code that is secure and reliable from the start. Once implemented, the K framework aims to bridge Cardano's blockchain with Solidity, enabling developers to work across both ecosystems. According to Wednesday blog post from Charles Hoskinson, founded tech startup IOHK, KEVM DevNet is designed to enable full compatibility with Ethereum. Quote, because Solidity is a high-level language similar to JavaScript and C++, it cannot be directly executed by the EVM. Solidity programs must be compiled to assembly language EVM bytecode first so they can run on the KEVM, end quote. IOHK's marketing director Tim Harrison wrote. Alongside KEVM, Cardano developers also plan to deploy other DevNets such as Glow and Aili. Developed by Munkin, a partner within the Cardano ecosystem, Glow will be the next DevNet to be deployed, according to Harrison. Quote, most of the core development work is now done, ready for a final QA and deployment in January 2021, end quote, he said. The Aili virtual machine was developed by Cardano community partner Runtime Verification and intends to provide a more secure system than the EVM. The Cardano ecosystem has been actively integrating its smart contract technology in order to bring new major functionalities. On Thursday, IOHK partnered with Wolfram Blockchain Labs to integrate data from the Cardano's blockchain into Wolfram Alpha, an answer engine providing technology for major services such as Apple Siri Assistant. Guys, this is big. When it says Apple Series Assistant, I'm like, yes, because I own Apple shares. And I'm really happy that Cardano's be able to working and partnering with this Wolfgram and bringing in DevNet such as Glow and Aili, which is going to provide a lot of functionalities and a lot of tools for these developers to deploy their sophisticated smart contracts on Cardano. And to me, that sets a parameter that Cardano could go to the stratosphere. I mean, the ADA coin is the native coin, and all the ERC20 tokens that could be converted to Cardano would be as native as ADA. That being said, ADA will moon, and that's my own expectations. Of course, I'm investing to make some money, but of course, I try to not to speculate and invest in things that I do understand, and I do see the long-term adoption on these platforms and the functionalities they're providing to humans or the consumer out there. Yeah, this is it for me. This is it for me, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like. Merry Christmas and have a happy new year if I didn't upload a video before the new year. Take care. Peace out.